In this video, I'm going to show you 10 different fixes for voicemail not working. Some of these are going to sound and seem kind of random, but I don't know where you're coming from when you're coming to this video because there could be a lot of things you're doing wrong or possibly need to do. So we're going to go through all of them and hopefully one of these will fix it. So if you find or you think we're going down the wrong path, just wait till the next tip because that might be on the path that you're on because they're all a little bit random. So the first thing you want to do is just turn your cell signal off and on. Under settings, if you go back to the main settings page, turn airplane mode on and airplane mode off. You can also do that by swiping down from the top here and tap on the airplane. And then you just wait 10 or 20 seconds and tap on the airplane again. So if you're having issues with people not being able to leave voicemail, that could be what solves it. If you're having issues with not being able to find the voicemail, tap on the phone app, then tap on voicemail over here. Or on a newer phone, if you're on the recents tab, you're going to have a hamburger icon or a stacked line icon up here. If you tap on that, there's going to be a voicemail tab in here. I've got mine down in the menu. If you see that there are voicemails listed here, you can tap on them to listen to them. Mine are live transcribed as well. So the Apple or somebody, the carrier, I don't know who, transcribes the voicemail and lets me read it here as well, which is super handy. I'll tell you how to turn that on in a later part in this video. So if you have voicemails here, but you just couldn't find them, then that would solve your issue. If there's no voicemails here, you might want to call into your online voicemail carrier database where it holds all your voicemails that you can listen to. To do that, just go to the keypad, type in your own phone number, call it. That's going to load up your voicemails. Number 3, I'm going to show you how to get these transcriptions because turning that on and off will sometimes help voicemails come through when they weren't before as well. So let's go to settings. Let's scroll down on the main settings page all the way down to apps and then tap on the P to go down to phone. Tap on the phone app and then scroll down to where it says live voicemail. Just turn that off, turn it off, and then turn it on again. And that will hopefully fix some things for you. And if you didn't have this on before, this is what gets you the transcriptions of your voicemails, which are pretty neat. Number 4, if you're expecting a voicemail from a specific person, but it's not coming through, and say other voicemails are coming through, they might be a blocked contact for some reason. And then tap through to all the contacts, find their phone number, unblock them if they are blocked, and then their voicemails should be able to come through because blocked contacts can't call you and therefore can't leave voicemails. The 5th thing you can try or look into is going back to the main settings list here and going to General and then About, and then wait here for 10, 15, 20, 30 seconds to see if a notification pops up that there's an update for the carrier or carrier settings on your phone. Apply that update, and that could fix the voicemail issue. The 6th thing to do is check for a general software update for your phone. If there is an update available, it often shows right here on the main settings list, but it doesn't always. So you might want to dip into the general and then into software update right here, and that will show the update, and you can learn more about the update here as well. Updating to new versions of the iOS software helps solve a lot of problems. Sometimes it creates problems as well. So maybe you updated too quickly. I usually wait quite a while before I update to a major release like iOS 27. I'll probably wait a few months before I update just to make sure that all the kinks have been worked out. But sometimes when you update right away, stuff can go wrong, and maybe that's affecting your voicemail. The 7th thing you can check, we should have checked this earlier actually, it's back in the phone app settings. So back on the main settings tab, go to the apps again, go to the P, tap on phone, and scroll down and tap on call forwarding. If call forwarding is turned on, that means the calls are not coming to your phone. They're going to be forwarded to a different phone, and then the voicemails will be left at that different phone or that different phone number as well. So this could be causing your voicemail issues. Next is rebooting the phone. You can try just restarting it. To restart, just swipe down from the top here, hold the stop start icon up here, slide to power off, or you can try rebooting, which is a little bit different. Rebooting reloads the phone software and it'll stop any processes that are running in the background that don't need to be. It's going to be like a fresh restart of the phone. To do that, we tap the up volume, down volume, and then hold the action button in a row. So up, down, hold the action button. Keep holding it. Don't worry about the sliding power off. Just don't touch that. Keep holding it until that goes away. And then the Apple logo is going to show up in a second. There it is. Now we can let go of that button. And now the phone software is being restarted. And hopefully that fixes your voicemail issue. And number 9 is calling the carrier of your phone, the cell phone plan provider, to see if there's any issues on their end, stuff they can see with your account. Maybe they can troubleshoot some things with you as well. And hopefully they'll be able to resolve your voicemail issue. And the 10th and last one is resetting your network settings. This is more of a nuclear option. That's why I saved it to last. Go into the main settings list, go to General, scroll all the way down to the bottom of General and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. This is going to reset all of the settings that are related to your cell phone network and connecting to it, and voicemail is part of that connection in that process. So I'd rather have you call the carrier first to see if they can do something before these settings are reset to factory default. You will not lose any data on your phone. You will not lose your contacts. You'll not lose your pictures or videos or anything like that, as long as you're pressing on reset and then network settings. It only resets things to do with connecting to the cell phone network. And hopefully that or another tip in this video resolves the problems you're having with your voicemail. And if you want to support the channel, I added memberships that you can get right through YouTube. You can click on the join button right below this video for more information on supporting the channel. If you decide to do that, I really appreciate it. Next, if you want more space on your phone, which you probably do, who doesn't want more space? Check out this video right here to help you find potentially gigabytes of space on your phone by emptying various trash cans on your iPhone. So check that out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.